Want to sell legal services online without chasing leads? GoHighLevel makes it possible to automate your entire client journey, from first click to signed contract. Start with a professional landing page that explains your legal expertise, highlights testimonials, and offers a free consultation or legal guide. Integrate GoHighLevel's calendar so clients can instantly book consultations, saving you hours of back and forth emails. Now, use forms and workflows to pre-qualify clients. For example, filter inquiries by practice area, family law, real estate, or business contracts so you spend time only with the right prospects. Next, set up email and SMS sequences that build trust, explain your process, and guide prospects towards retaining your services. That's how you use GoHighLevel to sell legal services online, giving you more qualified clients and less admin work. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.